That's Harry Machin there from the Peterborough Wombles there, where we all do the lip picking around the city. Does a brilliant job. Look at that, look guys. Sitting with them lovely cars there. And should we get a taxi to the train station? Literally behind us. So there you have your GWR Prairie, large Prairie, 4144. And then look what's around it, look. There you go, look. Classic cars and a classic train. That's exactly that, yeah. So there you go, look. It's not a setting you see every day, is it? Classic cars and with a classic train behind it. Got to get in Andy's car, look, definitely get in Andy's car. There you go guys, thank you to all the shows for bringing your cars. Trying to get the train in behind you all. There you go. You don't get that at every car show. Steam locomotives behind you. Yeah. And then back to the GWR Prairie, look. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, really helps the channel out guys. No, I didn't. I missed it. I see it, but I missed it. Yeah, guys, what you missed is the young lad there. As the steam released, it went all over him. Well, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and catch you all again soon.